I know what you really like, only calling me at night, expecting.
Yo, 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 stunning. What's up, my people? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So one question, do anyone here who's watching this video knows the legend Bob Marley? He's from Jamaica and I'm from Jamaica as well. So I've encountered these females. They goes by the name of Pi프티피프티. I have no idea who are they. I have no idea what are their sound. Who they sounds like. I am not sure what to expect exactly. So I'm going to react to them for the first time in my life. And this live is called Special Live Clip. So in Jamaica, I'm not sure if these music plays in Jamaica or if anyone in my country do know these artists. I'm not sure. But if not, I'll be the first. Or if they already knew of them, probably I'll be the second or the third, but I'm not sure. Regardless of that, bro, I'm gonna check out their music. So without further ado, let's take a walk into the Pi프티피프티 world. Peace. Pi프티피프티 special live.
We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore.
Wait. Beautiful harmony. Amazing harmony. I mean, like, it's my first time and I'm impressed with what I've heard thus far.
Anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used
Wow.
to do. We don't love anymore. What was all this for? We don't talk anymore like we used to do. I just want you found the one you've been looking for. I wish I would have known that wasn't me.
Wow. Oh my God. Yo, this brings so much happiness. This brings so much joy. Yo, I've heard a lot of music in this month of August, right? And I've encountered so much beautiful voices. But for these Pi프티피프티 females, right? This is one of the most harmonious. Yo, I am impressed. Right? The melody is on point. This is very, very much melodic.
'Cause even after all this time, I still wonder why I can't move on. Just the way you did so easily. Don't wanna know kind of dress you're wearing tonight. If it's holding onto you so tight, the way I did before. I overdose. Should have known your love is a game. Now I can't get you out of my brain.
Oh my God, bro. They bring tears to my eyes. They are like such angels singing, being rejoicing, being rejoiceful. They are like angels sent from heaven. Their voices are very much angelic, right? It is like you're sitting somewhere and you're just feeling so peaceful, so calm, so relaxing. This is what their voices is giving us, bro. So calm, so peaceful, very much relaxing.
Always such a shame. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. more like we used to do.
Yo. Blah, blah, blah. Yo. How amazing can this even get? How much more amazing can they even get? Pi프티피프티 special live.
Three, two, one. Yeah. I know what you really like, only calling me at night, expecting.
Yo, yo, yo! Stunning! Absolutely stunning! Yo, I am truly amazed. I'm impressed with all these women bring forth their thing, bro. Yo, I am really and truly impressed. This is a very outstanding work. The voice of these women is outstanding. This takes a lot of practice, dedication, time being put in to these music, into these combinations, into these melodic voices. How can this woman or these women carry out their music, carry out their work so peacefully but enchantingly? Damn.
Me to pick up my phone, cause you're alone. I know what you really mean, know that you don't want me seen. Wonder if my guesses were right. Am I out of your sight? Yeah. I can't wait stop the calling. I'm tired of all the talking. Reaching out to me for some company. You play with my emotions. Well, I don't play no games. I'm tired of always waiting here for you. Yeah. You, yeah, you. I'm tired of.
Yo, my God. Yo, these five are spontaneous. Whoa. Yo. Outstanding. A job well done. Holy fuck, bro.
Always chasing after you, yeah. You, yeah, you. I'm tired of always texting after two, yeah.
Wow. And I don't even yet compliment of how they are playing the guitar so smoothly. But it takes a lot of practice. Hours, days, probably even a year just to play this guitar while singing. Practice becomes perfect. And based on what I'm seeing now, it's perfect. It's a perfect combination. It's a perfect musical journey. Wow. I can see victory for these women. They have a long way to go, and what I'm seeing now, the future of these women are very promising. Whoa. Guys, thank you so much for watching. That was really good. Subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Please make your suggestions. I'll be happy to see your suggestions display down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.